Okay, I see it. No, I'm going to restart the computer later.
What are you doing?
This is the poor old white trash man. This is what he does to me at 11 o'clock.
Huh?
Nothing. This is the poor old white trash man's computer. This is his other computer, appropriately named Asshole PC. Are we there?
Who are you talking to?
Friends.
Huh?
I'm talking to friends.
Yes.
No, I'm talking to friends. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello, tubers.
Hello, tubers.
I'm talking to an asshole from Nebraska.
Yeah.
How old are we?
Whatever. This whole white trash man finished his list, so I'm fixing to shut down and go to bed.
Yeah. You know how to push the buttons on the phone, but from what you're... I'm not going there. Apparently those are...
You better not, because you know my wife. She'd come down there and kick your ass.
Yeah, that's right. She already beat your ass.
Yeah, whatever. that isn't... She's been a beating on here lately.
What's that? What is it you want the YouTubers to send you?
You tell me.
I just told a bunch of people the other day that you want them to send you a Speedo.
Sure, send me a Speedo. I'll wear it on camera.
And the scary part is, I think he actually would.
Make sure it's pink, though.
Dear God.
So the tubers know I'm a size. Let's see, my waist is probably, I don't know, 30, 33 or so, something like that. Huh?
Oh boy.
So yeah. Send it before the snow flies, though, because trash man might not wear it if the snow's flying.
Oh, I smell a dare coming up. Do you?
You know, would be hilarious to wear a Speedo and go out and visit my wife while she's at work.
I think you would be permanently divorced on the spot.
I guess from the talking of my wife, you're kind of got how she is, huh?
What's that?
I can tell you that from the way you said that, the conversations you've been having with my wife, you know how she is then.
Yeah, and we've all seen your videos. When you go to deliver flowers, she likes the flowers, but as soon as she sees the camera in your hand, you're an asshole. I mean, she called you an asshole more times tonight than I think anybody has on YouTube.
Yeah. And is the camera still rolling?
Yeah.
In most of my videos, I do not say God. I said God damn.
Nah, we know you better.
No, I say God, G-O-D, damn.
Bullshit detected.
It just says like God, because it, the way I am. I'm a redneck. I talk redneck way. Asshole.
He just called all of you assholes. You gonna take that from him?
No.
I think
you are asshole. You are asshole number 2. Asshole number 1 is Jason.
I don't know. You called you.
Asshole 3 is my wife.
I don't know. Yeah, you did call her an asshole earlier.
Especially after you had a nice conversation with her the other day, and now she wakes up every morning, looks at me in bed, and says, asshole.
That was after I talked with her when you went into the store.
I know.
Yep. So what are we planning on doing here? With all these computers?
Taking over the world.
Do you realize what would happen if the poor old white trash man took over the world?
Well, let me think. Let's see.
Do you guys smell smoke?
The president would be a different president.
I'm not asking about you running for president.
No, because if I took over the world, Mr. Blue Road would be the new president of the United States.
Well, I agree with that.
Okay.
He should be the president of the United States. I said that a while back.
And with me taking over the world,
we're doomed.
Yeah, you no longer would have to be 21 and over to go in titty bars. Because I'm a talented redneck when it comes to eye control. I can put one eyeball and one eyeball on the other screen and just scroll until I see D, the D word, dodge.
Well, I think you should be looking for the C word, because D might stand for dodge, but it also stands for doomed and done and does not work. And
where's my thing? There it is.
Christ.
That would be me. You can bow before me now if you wish.
What?